Grade, today we are on lesson 41. Our power-up starts on page 263. Go ahead and do your problems at the top, then get going on your mental math and your problem of the day. If you're watching now, you should already have this done. Remember, if I do it all for you, your brain's not making those connections. So make sure that you're doing it by yourself first and then checking it with me. 6 times 6 is 36. 7 times 5 is 35. 9 times 4 is 36. 1 times 2 is 2. 0 times 5 is 0. 6 times 9 is 54. 3 times 3 is 9. 9 times 2 is 18. 5 times 6 is 30. 7 times 7 is 49. 4 times 2 is 8. 7 times 9 is 63. 5 times 5 is 25. 2 times 9 is 18. 8 times 5 is 40. 5 times 2 is 10. 8 times 9 is 72. 6 times 5 is 30. 8 times 2 is 16. 9 times 7 is 63. 3 times 5 is 15. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 9 is 36. 7 times 2 is 14. 9 times 8 is 72. 9 times 5 is 45. 5 times 7 is 35. 3 times 2 is 6. 6 times 3 is 27. 1 times 9 is 9. 8 times 8 is 64. 0 times 9 is 0. 1 times 5 is 5. 5 times 8 is 40. 2 times 6 is 12. 3 times 9 is 27. 4 times 5 is 20. 9 times 6 is 54. 4 times 4 is 16. 9 times 9 is 81. Mental math. $4.65 plus $2.99. They forgot their dollar sign there. $2.99, that's 1 cent less than $3. So 4 plus 3 is 7, so that'd be $7.65 minus 1 would be $7.64. B, $3.86 plus $1.95. It's 5 cents less than $2, so if I add $2 to 3, I'd get $5, and then subtract 5 cents and 81 cents. So $5.81. If you just go ahead and add those, you'll get the same answer. C, $6.24 plus $2.98. $2.98, that's 2 cents less than $3. $6.24 plus $3 would be $9.24. Minus 2 cents would be 22 cents. $9.22. D, what is the radius of a circle that has a diameter of 1 inch? So the whole way across is 1 inch. So it would just half the way from the side to the center would be 1/2 an inch. So the radius equals 1/2 inch. E, class begins at 1:05 p.m. It ends 50 minutes later. 1:05 plus 50 minutes is going to give us 1:55 p.m. F, Patel's kite was attached to 50 yards of string. How many feet is that? 50 yards? Well, 50 yards, there are 3 feet in each yard, so 50 plus 50 plus 50, because we need to multiply by 3. 50 yards equals 150 feet. G, the price of new shoes was $4.85. The package of socks was $5.30. Round each price to the nearest dollar, then add to estimate. So $44.85. 4 looks at the 8. The 8 says go up one time, so we get $45. $5.30. The 5 looks at the 3. The 3 says don't get no more, so I stay at $5. So 45 plus 5 gives me $50. H, calculate 2 times 9 plus 9 plus 6 plus 66. 2 times 9 is 18. Plus 9 is going to give me 27. Plus 6 is going to give me 33. Plus 66 is going to give me 99. We're skipping our problem of the day today. Go ahead and flip it over for our new concept. Today we're going to learn about subtracting across zeros and about missing factors in a multiplication sentence. All right, in example 1, it says the Veti waterfall in Norway is 900 feet. The Aka waterfall in Hawaii is 442 feet. How many feet taller is the Veti waterfall? Larger minus smaller equals difference, so we're going to find the difference. Now, 0 minus 2, I can't do that. But if I cross out the 0, there's nothing left for me to go any lower than 0. So I need to go all the way over to this 9. Okay, I'm going to cross out this 9, make it an 8, and then I'm moving those 10 here into 10 here. Now I got to do it again. Cross out the 10, make it a 9, and change this one into 10. Now I can do 10 minus 8 is 2, 9 minus 4 is 5, and 8 minus 4 is 4. So I can get 458 feet for my final answer there. For example 2, it said Troy has $3 and he spent $1.23. How much money did he have left? Well, 0 minus 3, can't do that. Cross out the 0? Can't do that. So I got to go over, cross off the 3, make it a 2, change this into 10. Cross off the 10, make it a 9, change 0 into 10. Now I'm good to go. 10 minus 3 is 7. 9 minus 2 is 7. Bring down my decimal point. 2 minus 1 is 1. So I get $1.77. Looking at example 3, we've got a missing factor. Now remember, factor times factor equals product. Okay, so this is a missing factor. Whenever there's a letter and a number smashed up next to each other, that really means 5 times n equals 40. Well, 5 times what equals 40? Pull out my handy dandy multiplication chart. 5 times what? Well, 5, okay, I got the 40 right here. Drag it over, and I get 8. I can also count down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and I get the same answer. Okay, so my missing factor, n, equals 8. Same thing here. A times 4 equals 36. Well, what times 4 equals 36? Well, go in my 4 column. Find 36. Boom. Drag it over. Ooh, 9. So A equals 9. All right? You've got some practice at the bottom. Go ahead, press pause and try to do all these by yourself. Remember, your brain gets smarter when you are trying to do all the work, not just listening to me. When you're done with all of these, press play and we'll go over the answers together. If you're done, if you're watching this, you should be done with all of these. Let's go over the answers. 0 minus 2, can't do that. Cross out the 0, can't do that. Cross out the 2. 3, make it a 2, change the 0 into 10. Cross out the 10, make it a 9, change the 0 into 10. 10 minus 2 is 8. 9 minus 3 is 6. 2 minus 1 is 1. Bring down your decimal point. Don't forget your dollar sign. $1.68. If you did not get the same thing as me, go back, check your work, make sure that you crossed out the 3, made it a 2, and then came all the way over afterwards. 5 minus 6, can't do that. Cross out the 0, can't do that. Cross out the 4, make it a 3, change this into 10. Cross out the 10, make it a 9, change this into 15. 15 minus 6 is 9. 9 minus 5 is 4. 3 minus 1 is 2. So you get $249. 1 minus 2, can't do that. Cross out the 0, can't do that. Cross out the 2, make it a 1. Change the 0 into 10. Cross out the 10, make it a 9. Change the 1 into 11. 11 minus 2 is 9. 9 minus 0 is 9. 1 minus nothing is nothing. So I get 99. Keep flying. 0 minus 6, can't do that. Cross out the 0, can't do that. Cross out the 4, make it a 3. Change 0 into 10. Cross out the 10, make it a 9. Change 0 into 10. 10 minus 6 is 4. 9 minus 8 is 1. 3 minus 0 is 3. $3.14. 4 minus 8, can't do that. Cross out the 0, can't do that. Cross out the 3, make it a 2. Change the 0 into 10. Cross out the 10, make it a 9. Change 4 into 14. 14 minus 8 is 6. 9 minus 2 is 7. 2 minus 1 is 1. So you get $176. 3 minus 8, can't do that. Cross out the 0, can't do that. Cross out the 7, make it a 6. Change it to 10. Cross out the 10, make it a 9. Change it into 13. 13 minus 8 is 5. 9 minus 9 is 0. 6 minus 1 is 5. Now I flew through those because you should have already done them. So it should have just been double checking your work. G, 8 times what equals 32? A, 32, 4. So W equals 4. P times 3 equals 12. What times 3 equals 12? 4. So P equals 4. Excellent. Tuck that back in your Thursday folder, and let's get going on some problems. Make sure you get your name on your paper, and then we'll start with number 1. On page 266, number 1 says, the large square represents 1. Write the shaded part of the square as a fraction, as a decimal, and using words. So this is 1, so it's 10 times 10. There's 100 small squares in this. Think of it like 100 cents in a dollar. So if this is 10, 20, 30, 1 out of 100. So for A, 31 out of 100, we'd write as 31 out of 100. As a decimal, we can write it 0.31. And then with words, we can write 31 hundredths. 30-1 hundredths. All right. That's a good one for C box. Number 5, use digits in a comparison symbol to show that the decimal number 5/10 equals the fraction 1/2. So we have to write 5/10 equals 1/2. And that's it. Number 6. Anando fell asleep last night at the time shown on the clock. His alarm was set to ring 8 hours later. What time was his alarm set to ring? So if I look at this clock, it's shorthand point of 10, 5, 10, 15, 16, 17. So it's 10:17. And then plus 8 hours, well, that would be 18:17. Well, anytime you cross the 12, you subtract 12. So it really would be 6:17 a.m. Now we can also count. So 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 17. All right, so you can just get the same answer if you count it on your fingers. Number 11, rewrite this addition problem as a multiplication problem. So we've got all these $1.25. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4 of them. So we'll do $1.25 times 4. And that's it. No need to find no need to write the answer yet. That's just where we're starting. Number 12, how long is the line segment to the nearest quarter inch? 1, 1.5, 1, 1.25, 1.5, 1 3/4, 2. So 1 3/4 is where it's closest to. 1 3/4 inch. Number 13. Number 13 says, a meter equals how many centimeters? Well, 1 meter equals 100 centimeters. That's one of those things you can find in your resource folder. On the back, we got 2 more we're doing together. We're doing 28. 28 says, Neve quickly started and stopped a stopwatch 4 times. Write these times in order from fastest to slowest. Well, fastest is going to be the shortest time. So I see 0.20 would be first, 0.21, 0.24, and then 0.27. That one can fit in the box. 0.20, 0.21, 0.24, 0.27. And then 29, the Washington Monument is 153 feet taller than the City Center building in Nashville, Tennessee, which is 402 feet. How tall is the Washington Monument? Explain your answer. So the City Center is 402. So we've got the City Center, that's 402. This is 153 feet taller. So we need to add those to find out how tall the other one is. So 402 plus 153. 2 plus 3 is 5. 5 plus 0 is 5. 4 plus 1 is 5. So we put 555 feet. Excellent. Make sure you work hard on the rest of your problems and ask any questions on any other ones you don't understand.